Hey guys, starting an LLC in 2025 is easier than ever with LegalZoom's online platform. It handles much of the paperwork for you and ensures compliance with your state laws. Here's how to go through the process step by step. So, first of all, open any browser, search for LegalZoom, then head over to www.legalzoom.com and you'll be taken to this page. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on business button at the top and choose register your business or limited liability company, that is LLC. Now, when you click on the LLC under business tab, you'll be guided to a clear interface that outlines what LegalZoom includes like name checks, articles of organization and registered agent services. So, after coming to this page, you'll have to click on form my LLC under any of the plans you want. The plan's details are included under the specific section like basic, pro and premium. We'll start with basic. I'll click on form my LLC and you will need to input your business name, the state where you're forming your LLC and the type of business you are starting. LegalZoom will automatically check name availability in your chosen state to help you avoid delays later. So you'll have to enter your business name, click on next, then choose your state, click on next and enter your email address and phone number, then click on next and choose the industry of your business. Click on next again. Now choose what kind of filing you would want. Now click on next and you'll have to select a plan to meet your state's legal obligations with required ongoing filings. So on this step you can select a plan or just click on no thanks and you'll be taken to this page. So LegalZoom offers basic service tiers like basic, pros and premium. Pick one based on your budget and how much help you want with legal tax setup. You can include extra services like registered agent support, compliance reminders, or even a business license search. While many are optional, registered agent services is worth considering if you want more privacy or don't have a business address. Once you've filed everything out, review your application for accuracy because LegalZoom will display an expected turnaround time which varies by state. Then submit your filing and let their system take care of the state paperwork. So you can save time and money on essential documents by choosing any one of these plans, like you can select it or just click on no thanks. Now you can also simplify money management with a business bank account. So click on select if you want to earn bonuses and other perks. If not, click on no thanks and you'll be taken to this page where you can choose whether you want a one-day expedited processing or the founder's kit. If you don't want anything, you can just click on next. Now after your state approves the LLC, LegalZoom will send your official documents digitally and by mail if requested. From there, you can open business bank account, apply for licenses and begin operation as a legal LLC. So LegalZoom simplifies the LLC formation process by guiding you through every legal requirement even if you've never started a business before. With different service tiers and helpful add-ons, it's a reliable choice whether you need just the basics or full legal support. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.